How to fix a PayPal permanently limited account. So in this video, I will guide you step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. And if you see the message that your account is permanently limited, go to the Resolution Center. Step 2. Look for any listed issues under steps to remove limitation. If there's a form or document request, complete them as soon as possible. Step 3. If there are no steps listed, click Contact Us at the bottom of the page and then select Message Center and start a new conversation. Step 4. Politely explain your situation. Ask for the reason behind the limitation and if there's anything you can do to resolve it. Step 5. If they confirm the limitation is final, request a timeline for fund release, and usually PayPal holds your balance for 180 days. Step 6. After the 180-day period, you will receive an email notifying that your funds are available, and then you can then withdraw them to your linked bank or card. Step 7. If you did not receive the release email, go to the Resolution Center and message them to request your withdrawal. Step 8. If their support is unresponsive, escalate via PayPal's Twitter support or file a complaint through your country's consumer protection. And then, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.